Welcome guys. Today I will trade GBP USD. Right now equity 3374. Okay. Just go to GBP chart, GBP USD chart. Here 5-minute time frames. There show 25 moving averages rejection and trend and below 50 moving average. As like trend is uptrend, but I will check 4-hour time frame. This time frame also uptrend. Market will go up and down. Okay, I will check just two trend line plot. This is support line 1.26 and resistance line 1.27. Right now run the market 1.27027. Okay, low time frame just 15-minute time frame. This is rejection. Here the support line 5-minute time frame. Here also rejection. Market will up and down, but it will market go up. Okay, one more buy trade, place another one buy, 3 more trade, GBP USD 3 more trade. How do profit from moving average? Exponential moving average. Two type of moving average, 25 and 50. This is good profit. Just check, market will go up, cross the white line. Wow, very nice, very nice. 5-minute time frame. Okay, I will check 1-minute time frame. There also market up. 15-minute time frame. Wow, very nice. Market right now profit show $20 profit, but waiting, sometimes waiting, it will market be up and down, but it will get good profit. GBP USD today market will up. As like that it will go to 1.27228, this resistance level. If more buyer, it will cross the line, but market will go up as like that. Good profit comes right now, $34. Very nice. You can get good profit for both two line indicators, moving average. Very nice. Market is fluctuation, $50 around. Very nice. GBP USD right now live trading. Nobody tell you live trade, all are back testing show. Just check 25 moving average and 50 moving average. Both are will get profit. Forex, BTC, crypto, volatility index. Yes, there is one description. I will paste a link. Their deriv index. All days running. So even Saturday, Sunday also trading. 365 days which trade. 5 days forex trading, and after that Saturday, Sunday you close the forex market. Then you can trade crypto and volatility market. This is nice broker, instant withdrawal. You can go to description, click link, open standard CFD MT5 account. Okay. Right now GBP USD position, retest the small trend line, retest, and it will go up. It should be go up like that. 15-minute time frames. GBP USD market high volatility market. 1-minute time frame, 25 moving average rejection, then try to reach down, but up and down market will go up like that. High time frame market is uptrend. If 50 moving average up to market, then trend is uptrend. 50 moving average go to market down, downtrend. Right now market is uptrend. 5 minute time frame. Check the 5 minute time frame here. This rejection. Wow, very nice. It will go up. Right now profit 64 to 70 USD. Very nice. 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, $70 a profit. Very nice. Just you can check. Very nice. GBP USD. Low risk, high profit. Just 5 minute running. You will get 70 right now. Little bit down. It will fluctuate the market. That's why trend is changed. Right now market is up and down. Wait, sometimes it will go definitely profit. Waiting sometimes. Rejection. GBP USD, high profitable forex currency. There high volatility, so faster fluctuation. Sometimes wait for good profit. This is good. It's a scalping strategy. Just I will check it's a back testing. Here also market is a downtrend. There white lines and red lines cross the downwards. Then you can trade here. Their stop loss is here. You can good profit. The good movement. Same back testing is there. Some here. Some here. This candle. The rejection. Then you can trade here. Good move. Just good profit. Same way back testing here. Just 25 white lines cross the candle and downwards. Then you can trade here. Stop loss is here. Then you can good movement, book the profit. So many backtesting result is there, but you have follow the market and check the moving average. This is up and down. If cross the price is cross the candle, then you can trade next candle. Check the market. It will go up, then profit you can book, and long time you can carry the profit. Okay, right now how much profit I will check. Wow, very nice. Market will go up. White line 25. This is rejection the market and go up. It will go as like that 1.27 to 140. Very nice. Just 8 minute running, 8 and 32 minutes runnings. $130, $120 profit. You can book the profit. Either you can hold. It will go up 150. Wow, very nice. Very nice. Okay, you can carry the profit. This strategy, follow this strategy. Please check this video and understand the strategy. Share the video in friend circle, like and subscribe. Thanks. Very nice profit.